Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Code Master Labs. In this video, we will solve a Stack Overflow question. If you are looking for a channel that provides easy to follow coding tutorials, you have come to right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you will never miss an update. If you have any question related to HTML, Bootstrap, PHP, CodeIgniter or jQuery, then comment below. I'll try to make a video. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Here we have a problem which is PHP array filter. In this array we need to get a lowest value. So I have already created the array. Let's print that array. To print it in proper format we use pre-tag, and printr is a predefined function to print an array. So let's see how the array looks. So I will navigate to my URL. So localhost jntulabs is the folder where welcome is the class name and then function name will be dashboard. Now I'll create an for each array and I'll check all the values of rate. First, if it is a first array, then what I'll do, I'll store it as a lowest value. Here I have taken a lowest value as a variable and store it out, and also I have taken key because which array value is lowest I need to know that. I have taken key as also an element. Now I'll check, writing in if loop, I'll check whether the lowest value which I have already stored is greater than the next value which we are getting. If the lowest value is greater and the next value which we are getting is lesser, then what we will do, we'll store that in a lowest value, and then what we will do, we'll print that array contents. So country and the rate array will be printed. This is a simple way by which you can able to iterate into the arrays and then you can get the lowest value. You can change the values and also you can check. Let me change the country names and let me show it to you. India is having lowest. Now I will keep insert another array of country with the details, so then also it iterates and it gives you perfect answer. Now this I can use as a private function. I can use it out. To use it as a private function, what you will need to do is you need to create a function with name private. Here I will use the function name as lowest, and then I need to have an array which is need to be passed to this lowest function. So the array name would be country details, and then I will return the value. From here I will call to the private function using this keyword, this lowest, and the array I will be passing it out. To print this I will be using again printr function for complete call function, and here you go with the array. This is how you can get the filter from the arrays. These are associative arrays. Basically there are different types of arrays you will be knowing. So this is how you need to check the arrays. Hope you have got information about the array iteration filter values. So if you have got information or knowledge with arrays, then please hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe to our channel. Really motivate us. Thank you.